Here at Lloyd Land Rover York, we are pleased to offer this Toyota RAV4 Hybrid CVT. Finished in silver blade metallic, this car has a really futuristic look about it, with its 18-inch alloys, along with side steps, black roof rails and the privacy glass at the rear. In the rear of the car, you have a great sized boot with a rubber mat and also a retractable parcel shelf, all housed by an electronic tailgate. In the back of the cabin, you have 3 seats with ISOFIX points, which you can also see the great condition of the black leather. Entering the front, you have the powered mirror control, memory seat functions, tailgate and heated steering wheel buttons, and a look again at the great condition of the black leather seats. The multifunction steering wheel allows control over adaptive cruise, lane assist, media functions, and the central driver's display. The centre console houses the drive function, heated seats, climate control, along with a 7-inch information display. This gives you access to various apps, including MirrorLink, as well as SatNav, radio and Bluetooth. This can all be accessed via the touchscreen or the buttons at the side of the screen. If you require any more information on this great specification Toyota RAV4, please get in touch with the details provided. Thank you.